What up, y'all? It's Ro back with another video. In the previous episode, we designed, painted, and brought some life to our closet doors. In this episode, we're going to see if I can repurpose these two nightstands before Mother's Day. So, let's get started.
Alright, so these are the nightstands I got off of Facebook Marketplace. And one from the thrift store. Alright, I think I'm gonna do just get it all off. I'm gonna probably do like probably an 80 grit just to see how it goes. We're gonna take these off, the black off of these, take the knobs off, replace them with something else, and that's what we're gonna do. So I got 100, 80, 150. That should be enough. This is a dusty job. Workbench table, whatever you want to call it. The difficult thing I'm having right now is to figure out how to take these drawers out. They don't come out as easy. There's a stopper or a block here. I don't want to break it, but I'm also like, I don't think I need to take out the drawer. I just sand around here and all this stuff anyway. Yeah, I'm just gonna sand the front. I think I could take out this. Ow, that hurt. Alright, so we have the sanded nightstands. Both sanded at the top, sides, bottom. I'm going to let my wife do the inside of this one. And then I'm going to let her do the inside of this. Let her, ask her, well, same thing, right? So yeah, this is what we got so far. So next step for this is to figure out which stain we're going to use. If we're going to use a polyurethane to bring out the natural color of it, or if we're going to use some other stain, maybe similar to this, I don't know, darker. We'll see. It's up to my wife at the end of the day, so don't be asking me questions. All right, guys, so talk to the wife. She said she wants walnut, so we have here American walnut stain, and I would like polyurethane to see how this goes. We're going to try these samples, and see what happens. We will see which one is better. I think, depending on it, My wife's might be better with this with this setup. It just, I don't know. It just doesn't look like it's different pieces of wood that they put together. So I think the dark walnut actually will probably make more sense than actually doing a polyurethane. But you know what? We're just gonna try. Okay, first of all, we're just gonna try it and see what happened. Okay. I'm thinking I kind of want to, like, you can kind of see this yellow area. I don't know. It's just, man. I don't know what polyurethane is going to do with this. So I might try to do a couple areas. How about we try that? Let's do this. Let's just split it down into 4s. See how this goes, because I don't mind resanding this. I really don't, but I want to see what a polyurethane of this would look like, and then walnut, and then a polyurethane of this, and then a walnut of the normal. So let's try it. Let's see how it goes. Some water-based polyurethane? What does that even mean? Crystal clear matte. What does that mean, yo? I don't think I've seen a polyurethane like this before. So I'll put this one right here. Then I got this one. Polyurethane semi-gloss interior. Oil-based. Okay. So this is oil-based. This is water-based. Wow. Completely, utterly dry. Alright, so I have this spray polyurethane. Oil-based, same thing. Interiors. This is clear gloss. This is semi-gloss. Maximum durability, superior scratch resistant, fast dry. It's just clear and semi-gloss. So clear gloss and semi-gloss. I think I'm gonna just spray this and see what happens. Okay. Because the more that you put on, I think, is the darker it gets. So. Okay. Oh, okay, I see what it's doing. So it's acting like it was, like if it was water penetrating on that. Okay. I don't mind it, yo. I don't mind it. I kind of like it. So I'm going to do half and half right here. Because I just really want to see what this yellow one is going to do. I know it's a small part on here, but I want to see what does it actually look like. All right, this is the water-based. Ew, that looks ugly. Okay, I'm fine. I don't see it as much. Stuff look good. Cover it. This will give my wife a very accurate view of what we should do with these dressers, or these nightstands. I can't call them dressers, y'all. All right, first of all, one thing you gotta know about me, I say things wrong very, very often. Yeah, it happens. It's life. All right, so we have polyurethane water base, we have walnut, and then we have polyurethane oil base. We have polyurethane water base, walnut, and then we have polyurethane oil base. I'm thinking my wife, between these two, she might choose this one. All right, guys, let's see what my wife says. All right, babe, I stained them. I did 3 different options. Which one do you like?
I want the American walnut.
Oh my God. I give up. Never mind.
It's not gonna make
I quit. I quit. All right. It is time to sand these. Alright guys, so this I swear this took like, what's today? I don't even remember. How many days does it take? Like 3-4 days just to get to this point? It's because being a stay-at-home dad, you don't get time for everything. Yesterday I was watching some other kids' friends because they had an event and I heard it went well, so shout out to the gala. Watching their kids, and their kids are older, way older than mine, so and there were boys. So I was like, oh, okay, cool. This should be pretty fun and should be good. And it was good overall. You know, definitely the teenage situation is it comes out. It definitely comes out. So yeah. Leave it at that. But it was a good time. We watched Sonic 2, which was one of the movies I worked on. And my shot was the snow scene. Knuckles comes out of the cave and he like breaks the robot and jumps on it like it's a snowboard. So that was my shot that I worked on. So having boys, oof. My wife and I, we want to have more kids, so having a boy and more boys, or a girl and more girls, is just like something to think about. My wife was like, are you sure you want to have 4? Yeah, she said she wants to have 4, and she gets what she wants. Okay, at the end of the day, y'all, stop playing. I mean, can we afford 4? Yes. Is it wise to afford 4 on our current situation? I don't think so. I don't think it's wise in our current situation to try to have 4 kids right now. But the Lord will provide at the end of the day. He is the provider. Alright, cool. So yeah, guys, this is what we got so far. Alright, so to give you guys a quick update about how I'm doing as a stay-at-home dad. It's going. It's still going. I'm still trying to balance between content creation and, you know, our child and stuff, and just trying to see how to balance it all. Really, it's not easy. Not easy at all. And no one said it was going to be easy. If it was easy, everybody would do it. Like this week, I'm not finishing these nightstands this week. My wife and I, we have too many decisions to still make. Just final decision with like doorknobs and stuff. Drawer knobs. And it's also Mother's Day weekend. I'm not going to try to rush to get this done. I wanted to get it done for her. You know, at the end of the day, it's not a terrible thing that we're not going to get it done this week. And at the end of the day, Mother's Day is a little bit more important than just getting these cabinets done. On top of that is I have a bunch of different mothers. I have a mother-in-law, foster mother, and a biological mother. And my wife, she's so terrible, but she's so true. She's like, yo, Mother's Day come in every year. You have 3 mothers and then me. So that's 4 women in my life that I have to show that I appreciate them. Like I don't show that I appreciate them throughout the year. But this one day, yeah, I'm gonna just end this video and let you guys know that I am surviving as a stay-at-home dad, and ask for your prayers because I definitely need it. I call on the Lord and I need them right now. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that notification bell, like and subscribe. Comment in the comment section. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. Peace.